Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. My name is JLax and today I am just after to tell you happy bonfire night. This is what I've made for everyone watching. This is it. 3, 2, 1. Happy bonfire night, everybody! Happy bonfire night! Just keep going. Now then, thank you everybody for watching this video. I hope you're enjoying, and I'll see you all next time. Also, you can see a sneak peek at the little Christmas stuff going on. Yeah, I'll just give you a quick sneak peek. So this is it so far. Yep, we got the Halloween. But anyway, happy bonfire night, and I'll see you all next time. Bye. Wait. Bye.